The Philippines is an archipelago of more than 7,000 islands. As the atoll presents differing landscapes and locales, it also reveals the various livelihoods of its citizens. We begin in my hometown, Montalban, which is a province in Rizal, 13 miles east of Manila, the nation's capital. Although I have lived in the Philippines for the first 7 years of my life, I have never been aware of what lies 30 minutes from my neighborhood. Scavenging to survive is a reality for many Filipinos. Basureros, or garbage collectors, work from early morning to night until dozers push waste materials to be treated at the cell. This landfill is exclusive to scavengers who are part of the Macabod Eco Scavengers Association, which was founded in 2009 and is still in the process of becoming official.
So yung usapan namin sa barangay, kung sinong residente ng Macabod, siyang may karapatan na mangangalakal. Lawin lang yun. Ganito po.
So dati pa kayo, kung kayo scavenger?
Hindi, 2004. Nang bago ho ako ng scavenger, dati ako nagtatrabaho sa Maynila sa restaurant.
Oh, anong ginagawa niyo?
Cook. Nagsarado po yung restaurant. Kailangan ng income.
Oh.
Nagkaroon ng choice na may landfill. Pumasok na ho dito para may kahit pa paano magkaroon ng income.
Trash seems endless as trucks come and go every 15 minutes. But scavengers can only recycle so much.
Bagay na pwede ipagbenta tulad plastic, bote, tapos lata.
Scavengers make about 70 pesos per day, or $1.53. If they're lucky, they can earn as much as 200 pesos, or $4.37.
Ay, mga katanda. Joking. Ganda rin kahit pa paano. May pang-araw-araw kang magpanggastos. Para sa pamilya.
Meron kang anak or ilan?
Bali, 3 na.
Ilan taon na sila?
Yung panganay ko, 4 years.
Pinaplano mo ba ipag-aral sila?
Siyempre naman. Kahit naman sinong magulang gustong pag-aralin yung mga anak, di ba?
Darwin invited us to his village, Damas, which is 5 miles away from the landfill. I was exhausted from walking over rough terrain. My aunt, who came, even broke her shoe.
I was so tired. I was, if I can give up and ask Darwin that, Darwin, let's go back. But I can see in him his eagerness to show his, the community or the house where he lives.
Dito.
Hindi, pihikan siya. Mahilig siya sa mga bata. Anak ko, naalagaan niya.
Matalino si Darwin. Matalino siya.
Nung bata ako, nag-aral ako mula sa probinsya ka. Probinsya sa amin, sa Iloilo. Doon ako nag-elementary, din dito nag-high school. Quezon City. Nagiging kasama rin ako sa mga honor student. Nag-college ako dito sa NCBA, second year college.
Second year college.
BS Marketing. Tapa, walang income. Tsaka kung nakatapos siguro ako, nagmamanage na siguro ako ng restaurant o siguro magtuturo sa mga bata. Dahil mahilig ako mag-tutor sa mga bata Kasi dalawa yung course kong pinag-pilian nun. Kaso lang, hindi ko natapos.
The scavengers, including Darwin, spoke to me in a way that I spoke to my elders. They were very formal, using po to offer respect. It was very uncomfortable because I don't consider myself superior.
Gumawa ko ng batas.
Total, nagiging hanap buhay na nila. So, ayusin na natin.
Yun nga po ang pasalamat ko na nagkaroon ng landfill dito na kahit na papaano nakakatulong sa mga residente.
Ilan taon? Subukan nyo na rin.
Asawa ko, katulad ng asawa ko.
Yan, dati rin yan.
Ako dati rin kasi may hika ako. Hindi ako
Even on a school day, all the kids were at home.
They don't have any transportation fare to go to school. And then, they're forced to scavenge.
6 ko. Yung grade 6 ko.
minsan sinasama, may araw kasi ang mga bata doon sa pagkalahig.
Sa basura.
Sabado, Linggo.
Grabe na nag-aral pero nagsisikap din na nangangalakal para lang din makaraos sa pangangailangan.
Hindi, kasi ang kailangan dito, yung pondo.
So kung walang makakalakal, walang babaunin,
Titi sa asin.
papasok.
Asin, gulay.
You know, in the Philippines, the children love their parents so much. So it's okay for the parents to, and also for the children to work for their parents.
Saan ka nagtatrabaho?
Yung pasura lang po, trabaho po na.
Ilang kita mo?
Mga 50 lang po.
Yung mga magulang mo, anong ginagawa?
Ganun din po.
Anong gusto mo maging pag kaka-graduate ka na?
Tumulong po ko sa magulang ko. Pambili po ng gamit po sa bahay.
Talaga? Anong
Pambili po ng bigas.
You might ask me, how come that a lot of Filipinos are living below the poverty line if they're hardworking? Because they're not given the chance.
As all of the scavengers working independently, they neither have wages, benefits, nor government aid.
Actually, we envy these people of America because parang everybody is given the chance. But here in the Philippines, chances are very slim.